Hello guys, this is Boy once again. Today I'll give you a quick update on crypto market in general. Point out these 5 points why the market looks good for the time being. So first we have Fed, okay, or Federal Reserve, you can say. For the past 6 months, speculation, fear of the Federal FOMC meeting and the CPI report created panic in the market. And next CPI report will be released on July 10. This will be the dates, guys. Almost like 60th of July to 10th of July. That's the dates, guys. Just remember the dates of forms meetings. So for the time being, we don't have another catalyst to cause any kind of a downfall of crypto market. Currently we don't have that until that date of 10th of July, guys. So just pay attention to the date. Another thing, we have Ukraine situation. As we know, guys, a few days ago, European leaders from Germany, France, and Italy visited Ukraine. This gave confidence to the market, as we saw, guys. After that, we saw some correction of Bitcoin. Bitcoin started to make some kind of correction after that with these areas. As I told you guys, we'll have a correction until 60th of July. As I told you on one of my videos, I told you that we'll have a correction until that date, 6th of July. That was my prediction, but we have another date, 10th of July, guys. So on July 2, the Federal's meetings or FOMC meetings, okay, will be on July 26 to 27. So we don't have another catalyst to make the downfall of the market. So just play with the dates, guys. When we have FOMC meetings, we always experience a high volatility on the market. So FOMC meetings is one of catalysts that can cause a downfall of the market or uptrend of the market when we have FOMC meetings. For the dates, until the next FOMC meeting, that means we have 11 days to go. So we can see Bitcoin keep making correction. Today is 26th of June, so we have 11 days until 7th of July. So guys, you can see that we have almost like 11 days for this correction. If we have extended correction until 26th of July, that means we have extended correction too. Okay, the next thing is the oil prices. One of the most important factors was the drop in crude oil, which fell from 123 to 108 last week. You know, guys, that oil price went up, okay, and it went to these levels of 123, or you can say 124, and we saw that since we made oil price made this high, it haven't even made a new high. So this was the good thing for the correction on the market. But another thing, that if economic is not good, we'll see oil prices even keep going up. But for the time being, we have this kind of correction of oil prices. So that makes a good thing on other markets to even start to making corrections and stuffs like that, guys. Another thing, we saw that there are recession fears, but I don't want to talk most of this one. But a lot of people and a lot of leaders predicting that global market is in fear. Okay, so we expect a recession, but this will be on 2023. Okay, but nobody can predict a recession. Again, it is only fear, and it is not yet confirmed that will face recession. So this is like fear in the market, what we are going through right at the moment. So this is just kind of fears, and we don't know what's gonna happen with the recession. But a lot of a lot of leaders say that recession is inevitable. So we just expect a recession, but not most likely. It is not confirmed, but expected. Another point is that Bitcoin historical data. Okay, majority we're comparing and even look at historical data of Bitcoin that we haven't even always when we almost around 200 weekly moving average. Okay, Bitcoin 12 years or 12 years history suggests that if you accumulate Bitcoin below the 200 weekly moving average, you can get a big return if you hold it for long term. This is the 200 moving weekly moving average, guys, and we broke this to the downside and we are retesting it, and currently it is sitting around 22,400. We broke this 200 moving average and on weekly. Okay, this is weekly time frame, guys. We broke this one, so that means we are retesting it. So they suggest that if you accumulate Bitcoin below moving average, this that means later on if we broke this one to the upside, we'll get a huge return. Okay, guys, last thing, remember the market is unpredictable. Okay, apply stop losses and risk management before entering any trade. This is not financial advice, but I can even give you some suggestion of the way you can trade, guys, so you don't lose all of your saving. And if you are truly futures trader, you should use stop losses, guys. It is very, very important to these moments where the market is unpredictable.